Welcome back everyone to a new guide video of 1 2 Step. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your online banking of Barclays. If you also want to learn how you can log in successfully, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. So firstly, what you need to do is search for barclays.co.uk on the search bar of your web browser. Once you search for this, it's going to take you to the website of Barclays. Now to log in to your online banking, you can see this login button on the top. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the login section. Now there are a few methods that you can log into your account. The first way is using your membership number. So if you have the membership number with you, you can easily log in using this process. So you'll need to type in your last name in the first box, and then in the second box, you need to type in your membership number. The second method is using your card number. So if you have your card with you, you can repeat the same process, but this time instead of the membership number, you need to type in your card number. And the last way is you can log in also using your sort code and your account number. So in the first box, type in your last name, type in your sort code, and then in the last box, type in the account number of your bank account. So once you fill in all this information, you can just click on continue and you'll be successfully logged in to your online banking of Barclays. So that's all it takes to logging in to your online banking of Barclays. If this video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are interested in more daily tutorials, also make sure to hit that notification bell. That's pretty much it for today's video. Thanks for watching.